Very soon, Big Brother Nigeria will start. And I know that everybody is happy. Everybody is happy, but I'm not happy. I am not happy because the problem Big Brother Nigeria caused in my family last year is still there. It is still there. Since the last year, Big Brother Nigeria, my baby brother started kissing anything that looks like a woman. My younger brother can kiss anything that looks like a woman. My baby brother can kiss a newspaper. My baby brother can kiss photo. My baby brother can kiss a television screen as long as the person talking on that television is a woman. My baby brother will go and magnet his tongue on the television as long as the woman remains on that screen. Why? Big brother, why? No, Big brother, tell me why. Why have you decided to come into my home and change my brother from Ikechukwu that I used to know to Ikechukwu that will sneak out of their classroom in primary 4 down to primary 1 to kiss all the babies in the classroom taking their siesta? The last time he was caught and expelled from the school, he had kissed all the baby girls lying down taking their siesta in the classroom. Big brother, look at Ikechukwu, my baby brother, lying down in my room sleeping with boil all over his mouth. And you people want to start another Big Brother in this year 2019. No problem. Just know that I am watching you. My eyes are on you. I am watching. You listening to me now. Always stay here and see what Big Brother is doing to my family. Okay, you think I'm lying. Now, look at this one. Look at this. You see what I'm saying? Kissing everywhere. See it. See it yourself. This is why my baby brother is kissing every small baby girl in my compound, everywhere. Big Brother Nigeria 2019, coming soon. No problem. Just know that I am watching. I am watching you. Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.